Just as a quickie selfie reminder, sauce making involves the use of sodium hydroxide or lye, which can burn your skin and permanently damage your eyes. So be sure to learn and follow life-safe handle procedure during the entire sauce making process, even while cleaning up. It's rainy all day yesterday. The rains make people laugh and hate. I hate the rain. When I went out of the door without the umbrella, wherever it's rainy, I have to endure when my pants were wet and the smell sneaked on the subway. Preference has different sizes. Sometimes, for a different perspective, things are different. Once I buy a new umbrella. It's transparent umbrella, and I watch the rain stop. How is the umbrella drop by drop, and suddenly times to stop. At this moment, I stopped working, enjoy the scenery in the rain. I forget how long I did not use my eyes to look at this beautiful world instead of looking down on my mobile phone. How long we did not stop for good meal. How long we did not talk to my parents well. Do you feel that way too?